Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect motion array titles into Premiere Pro. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect motion array titles into Premiere Pro, begin by opening Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing project where you want to add the titles. Next, visit the Motion Array website and log in to your account. Browse through the Titles section to find a template that you like. Once you find a title template, click on it to view the details. Download the title template by clicking the Download button. After the download completes, locate the file on your computer. Most motion array titles will be in a zipped format, so you need to extract the files. Right-click on the zipped file and select Extract All. Choose a location to save the extracted files and click Extract. Open Premiere Pro again, and go to the Essential Graphics panel. If you don't see the Essential Graphics panel, go to Window in the top menu and select Essential Graphics. In the Essential Graphics panel, click on the Install Motion Graphics template icon. Navigate to the location where you extracted the title template file. Select the .mobit file and click Open to install the template. The title will now appear in your Essential Graphics panel under the My Templates tab. To add the title to your timeline, simply drag and drop it onto your video track. Position the title in your timeline to where you want it to appear in your video. Click on the title in the timeline to select it, and then go to the Effect Controls panel. Here, you can customize your title by adjusting text, font, size, and other properties. Once you are satisfied with the look of your title, preview it in the Program Monitor. Make any final adjustments if necessary, and play back the sequence to see it in action. Now you have successfully connected and customized a motion array title in Premiere Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.